iOS 18.4 RC is out, and in this video I'm going to be telling you all the changes that this software update has to offer. On my 16 Pro, this update size comes in at exactly 7.65 gigs, and I was updating from the previous beta 4. To keep you in the loop, alongside this update, Apple also released watchOS 11.4 RC, visionOS 2.4, tvOS 18.4, we got macOS 15.4, iPadOS 17.7.6, and iPadOS and iOS 18.4, and all these are release candidate versions. One of the first new change that this update has to offer is on the update page. It actually highlights the whole prompt release candidate. Usually when it's an RC version, this text is not depicted. It just says 18.4 and that's it. The build number that's currently here on file is 22E239. With this modem firmware version, that's 1.54.03. Audio quality is also being improved for the AirPods Max by means of lossless audio and ultra low latency that's now supported. And what this means is that users can enjoy the highest quality audio across music, movies, and games, among others. And yes, this is going to be coming out with iOS 18.4 among iPadOS and macOS 15.4. For the AirPods Max, we also got new hardware, which is the USB-C to 3.5mm audio cable that has been released today. This update resolves an issue where users would open the camera app and it would revert to a blank screen for a couple of seconds. Now that's a thing of the past. A bug that's not fully resolved has to do with the status indicators that you see at the top not matching with what you see in the control center, but this bug is not something I'm experiencing. It seems to be affecting certain iPhone models. The back tap accessibility settings show banner that used to be there is still not here, so it seems like Apple has completely removed it from this update. There's a resolved issue when it comes to Apple Intelligence where one would have to restart their device in order to get it to work, but now it just works and you can either access it using the side button or you can just tap the bottom of your phone like this and it will just show up. If you're wondering when this update is going to come out, Apple has mentioned that this is going to be released in April, so we could see it as early as next week. This update has many more new features which I'll be covering once it comes out, so definitely follow for more.